Okay, now we are ready for the second trial. So final match number 3. Boys in Black and Versavia Robotics. Let's repeat the action. So the robots have started again, emptying the first side dispenser, also the second one, both of side dispenser being emptied, loaded, full of discs. Now the blue one. And the robots are dispensing the discs. Well done, so great job. The first line is covered with the disc for 1 point. Now one blue left with full of discs. Will they manage to empty it? Yes, good, well done. Now over the fence to score as many points as they can. So 6 seconds time left. It's important if the score is going to be equal again, so tie. This time is important. So the team which finishes first is going to be winner in case of tie result. This time the first 2 teams gained how many points? Let's see. 105 points. Good job again, boys and girls. Well done. Good score for the finals.